friends, welcome back to my channel. How is everybody doing? To everybody that are affected with this bad weather, I hope everybody is staying safe. I just want to quickly come here to show you the aftermath of a bad snowstorm. Guys, this is the 11th day since, well, it didn't snow today at all, but we've been having snow like every day for 10 days straight. Guys, it's beautiful when you see snow on TV, but let me tell you something. The main problem is when the snow stops and you need to shovel your driveway. So I'm going to make an attempt to get this done today because we are slowly running out of food. I need to go out. I can see that some cars are already driving around. So I'm going to try and get my driveway at least behind of this red car because that's the one I'm taking out. I'm going to try and get that done. And I already started doing that during my lunch break. So I'm going to try and do a little bit more so I can get ready to go out tomorrow morning. If you are coming across this channel for the very first time, thank you so much for clicking on this video. I really appreciate your presence here. You can feel free to look around, check my previous videos and see what I do. And if you can find any of them that are of interest to you, I hope that you will subscribe and join this family. To my always returning subscriber, I love you so much. Thank you so much for coming back. As much as it looks so easy to do this on camera, it was not that easy. I have to stop at some point in time at least 3 times within 30 minutes to go in the house to warm up because my fingers will start to go numb. First they will start hurting like bad, seriously. Then they will start to go numb. Then at some point in time you will not even be able to feel your fingers anymore. My toes was hurting and I can feel something like my blood was freezing up. So I had to stop at that point, go in the house, warm up, come back out and continue. This is one of the times that I really miss my husband so much. And what can I do? If it was on, I wouldn't have to do this at all. But I have to take care of my house. I have to take care of my children. We have to go out and get some food. We were running out of food. So I have to do what I have to do. I feel so sorry for people that don't have a home right now, the homeless people. I don't know how they do this. I don't know how they sleep on the streets like this. You can die sleeping out of here. You can die. Like, it's super cold. So I really feel so bad for them, and I pray for them all that the Lord will send help to them. So I just wanted to come here quickly to show you guys what we have to deal with after a very bad snowstorm. Yeah, this snow is going to be around for weeks, maybe 2 weeks or more. So yeah, this is what we have to deal with after a snowstorm. It's just inevitable. And yeah, so if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that red button down there. Click that red button. Make sure your bell is on so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I really appreciate you guys so much. And to my returning subscribers, if you are still watching me at this time, then you are the best. I really appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye bye.